Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from Albion Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of science. So my dear students, today we are going to do the remaining exercises of this chapter. The name of the chapter is Uses of Plants. Now students, let's begin. In our previous video, we have completed question number A, filling the blanks, question number B, choose the correct option, question number C, give two examples for each of the following, and the question number D, write T for the true statement and F for the false one. Now students, today we are going to discuss about question number E, that is answer the following questions. So students, here I am going to tell you or explain you the answer of these questions. You have to write the question answer from your PDF that is given in your WhatsApp group. So students, the question number first, name any 5 vegetables we eat. Mention the part of the plant eaten in each. So students, here you have to write name of any 5 vegetable we eat, and you have to mention the part of the plant eaten in each. So students, answer for this question is, first of all, you have to make 2 columns, one column of vegetable and one column for part. In the column of vegetable, you have to write the vegetable name like potato, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower and groundnut. And in the second column, part, you have to write the part of that vegetable, like potato is a stem, so you have to write stem, carrot roots, cabbage leaves, cauliflower flowers, groundnut seeds. Now let's come to the question number 2. What are cereals? How are they different from pulses? So students, here first of all you have to write the definition of cereals, and then you have to differentiate pulses from cereals. So in the answer of this question, you have to write food grains of grass-like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat are known as cereals. Pulses are found inside pods while cereals are not found inside pods. So this is difference between cereals and pulses. Now let's come to the question number 3. What are spices? Give 2 examples of spices. So students, here you have to write what are spices, then you have to write any 2 examples of spices. So answer for this question is, spices is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark that gives flavor to food. Example for spices are cardamom and black pepper. Now students, let's come to the question number 4. What are fibers? Name 2 plant fibers. So students, here you have to write a thin thread like material are called fibers. For example, cotton plant and jute plant. Now let's come to the question number 5. Give 2 uses of oils. So students, here you have to give the 2 uses of oil. So the first use of oil is to use for cooking food, and oil is used to oiling our hairs. So students, in the explanation of this chapter, you had learned about that we get oil from the seeds or fruits of plants such as mustard, coconut, sunflower and olive. So the answer of these questions are given in your PDF. You have to complete the answer with the help of PDF. Now let's recall and complete the concept map given below. So students, here you have to complete the concept map that is given below. Plant give us the following things. So students, you know very well, we get many things with plants or from plants. So here some missing letters are given. You have to complete it to make a word. So in first box you have to write fruits. Second, coffee and tea. Third, stems. Four, fibers. Fifth, wood. And the last one, that is SOAP, soap. TOOTHPASTE, toothpaste. And PERFUME, perfume. Now in right side, in the first box you have to complete the spelling of vegetable. Next, cereals and pulses. Next, oil. Next, medicines. And paper, rubber and gum. So students, here you have to complete the spelling of these words. Now let's observe. Observe the picture and answer the question that follow. So students, first of all you have to observe the picture that is given here. So do you know what is this? Yes, this is a picture of wheat plant. So let's answer the questions that follows this picture. Question number A, name the plant. So students, you know very well this is a plant of wheat. So here you have to write WHEAT, wheat. Next, what type of food grain does it give us? So here you have to write cereals. The next one, what do we get when this food grain is ground? So students, when we ground these food grains, we get flour. Now let's come to the question number 2. In the space given below, draw and color an object made from wood which you can find at home. So students, in the space that is given below, here you have to draw and color an object that are made from wood. Like you can draw the picture of chair, table. There are many things that are made of wood. So you have to draw this in the given space. You have to draw the object which you can find at home. Okay? Now let's connect social studies. There are many different kinds of people who help us in our daily life. Different people do different kinds of job. So students, In our daily life, different kinds of people help us. Like at home, your mother cook the food and your father earn the money. So students, different people do different kinds of jobs. Let's discuss about it. A carpenter makes furniture for us. So students, carpenter makes us furniture for us. A teacher teaches us in school. So students, the person teaches us in school are teacher. Now complete the following sentences about other people who help us. The first one is a blank treat us when we are sick. So students, here you have to write doctor, because you know very well when we are sick, doctor treat us. Second, a blank sells medicine. So students, who sells medicines? Yes, here you have to write chemist. The next one, a blank grows crop for us. So this is very easy. You have to write farmer. A farmer grows crops for us. The next one, a blank cooks food for us. So a person who cooks food are known as chef. So here you have to write chef. Now the last one, a blank stitches cloths. So here you have to fill tailor. Now let's apply. Shobha has a cough and her mother give her a drink that contain a plant stem, a spice and a leaf boiled in it. Can you find out the stem, the spice and the leaf by looking at the clues below? So students, Shobha has a cough and her mother gave her a drink, and drink contains plant stem, spice, a leaf boiled on it. So here you have to find out the stem, the spice and the leaf that contain in that drink. So students, let's read the clue that is given below. The stem is light brown and looks like a root, is also eaten as vegetables. So students, the stem with light brown color and like a root is also eaten as a vegetable, that is ginger. The next one, leaf belongs to a shrub that is also worshipped in India. So students, you know very well, tulsi belong to the shrub and also worshipped in India. The next one, the spice is small and dark brown seed and is also used to make medicines. So students, this is a spice, small, dark brown seed, and this is used to make medicines. So here the answer will be clove, C-L-O-V-E, clove. Now students, the exercises of this chapter is completed now. So we will meet soon in our next video with the explanation of chapter number 3, that is animals that helps us. So students, first of all you have to complete chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 in your fair copy with the help of PDF that is given in your WhatsApp group. And you have to learn all the exercises of chapter number 1 and 2. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.